Hello, I'm Ola from Crochelicious, and I would like to talk to you about the waistcoat stitch. And you can see that it has a pretty nice V shape here, and I'm using a 10mm crochet hook and a macrame string 5mm. It makes it a bit harder to crochet, but it's also bulkier, and I hope it will be easier for you to see. So the main difference between the waistcoat stitch and the single crochet, because waistcoat stitch is a bit like single crochet, but the main difference is where we insert the hook. So if you look at how it's built, you can see that there's a V shape here, and there's another V shape on the other side. And if you look closely enough, the other V from the back is actually visible here. So this place in between those pieces of yarn is exactly where we want to crochet, and we want to insert our hook. So let's have a look. So we insert the hook right in the middle. We can check out from the back if it's exactly in the V shape. It is. Then we grab the yarn back from the back like this. We grab the yarn and pull through, and you can see that our the other loop is facing to the right. And then we grab again the yarn from the back as well, and we pull through. And if we do it this way, we'll get that nice V shape. So let's have a look again. So first we locate the place where we need to insert the hook. So you can see it's here inside in the middle. So we insert the hook, double check if it's there, grab the yarn from the back, pull through, make sure the height is the same and this loop is facing to the right, and then grab the yarn and pull through. And just to let you know, I'll show you what happens if you grab the yarn from the wrong side, so to say. So we insert the hook in the middle of the other V, and let's say like we grab it like that, like a regular way, at least for me. So we grab it from behind, and you can see already that the other loop is facing to the left, and that's not what we want here in this waistcoat stitch. And if we pull it through, you'll see that we're actually getting an X instead of V. So if you just make this mistake, this tiny little boo, just pull the yarn here, change the direction of the loop, insert the hook again, and just pull through.